Alright, y'all, 931 mini builds here. I had someone ask me about the light kit on the Monte Carlo if you had blinkers. So, there is no blinkers that come with the kit, but there is two spots that you can connect blinkers to. Um, so, if you want blinkers, I guess find you some lights that'll plug into that, plug them up, and you'll have some blinkers. But I just wanted to make this little small video just showing you actually what comes with the kit, and you looking over the manual, but that way you see what's in it before you buy it and everything. Um, this one is for the 79 Monte Carlo, so you've got your Y cords, your lights of course, 3M tape, zip ties, double-sided tape, or the clips, your receiver, and then some jumpers. This is self-explanatory. It's just plug and play. I just want to let y'all see what's here, get you a quick overlook, and that way y'all know before y'all buy the kit. My bad. That's pretty much it. So there you go for y'all who was wanting that. I get the Impala's the same way, just a different how the wiring's done. But that is all for today. Appreciate you watching.